Welcome to ExpertWorks, a leading cloud-based e-learning platform. The Expert way of learning gives flexibility to learn the course at your own pace and convenience. Our goal is to give you the best learning experience with greater efficiency. Do you know why Python is one of the most popular programming languages? Well, Python is one of the most accessible programming languages available due to its simplified syntax, which gives more emphasis on natural language. Due to its ease of learning and usage, Python code can be easily written and executed much faster than other programming languages. ExpertWorks has custom designed a self-paced Python course with real-time content, which helps you position yourself very well in this highly competitive industry. Let's see more details about the course in the following animation video.
Python is one of the top programming languages. It is popular in both the coding and data science communities. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1989. Python can run on major operating systems like Windows and Linux. Since Python is high-performing, flexible, scalable, and readable, it is used to develop fully functional and efficient business applications. Python's real-world applications include web development, software development, education programs and training courses, business applications, artificial intelligence, machine learning, game development, and many more.
Hope going forward you will enjoy learning Python. Never stop learning.